Let's start by painting the inside of our Jello mold with the base layer of our uncut liquid latex before mixing in a dab of white acrylic paint. Important to note that this step is not somewhere where we can trim the fat, but once our milky layer is dried, we can move on to the myocardium layers. Here's where we should be able to get a good cardiac rhythm going and pump these out pretty fast. Paint a layer on, dry with the hairdryer, repeat until you've blocked out most of the light. That we can occupy most of this void with 1 ounce of expanding flex foam and a couple of latex lined tubes. But wait, before we can get into too much detail, first we need to close our hearts off to the rest of the world, which will be made all the easier by the fact that the latex will stick to itself, given a few fancy folds. Now we may not be able to pour our hearts out here, but they should peel free without too much protest. Next, let's open up a vein or two and use a little liquid latex to glue the cut flaps to the inner walls of these tubular openings before finally adopting a more sanguine outlook by covering up any oopsies using a final transparent crimson layer, tailoring the gore level to personal taste, of course.